Well, said I wasn't going to do a video every day, but probably not. But if this shows up within the same week as the next one, so be it. I'm going to stop by Walmart and see what's going on in there. And see y'all guys in there. Well, that's kind of what they have in DC. Not nothing, really. And Legends, same thing. Big Drew's a Halo. Aliens. No, it's only Predator they got left. 12-inch, all the rest of them gone. No Star Wars. None. I mean, that up there. Scooby-Doo stuff. And let's see. None of the new MOTUs, but that stuff. Yep. Alright. Well, I might check out Target. Bring y'all with me. Hey guys, it's Larger Family Hunters back again. And we got some packages to open. A couple of them from a couple fellow collectors, and then one from Amazon. Actually, compliments to my mom. So, without ado, new knife, by the way, I got for Christmas. The Damascus blade, deer antler. It's a hooey. Alright, make sure that's turned down, please. Ready? You wanna open it? Yep. See how quick that shark, right? That cut. Like butter. Making sure. So, that's what that is. Which in return I have an airbrush coming as well. And I'll show y'all that when it comes in. And that's also compliments of my mom. Which my mom actually moved in with us back in February, and so she's been here. We got plenty of house and everything. Coming out back from Arizona, we went and drove and picked her up back in February, right at the end of it. So you'll probably see her in some videos too, and I'll let her introduce herself and stuff when that comes. But the other one, which is from, make sure I got it all covered. This is Robert. He is a fellow local collector, fairly local, San Antonio, which is a couple hours from us, but not too far. But he said he had an extra one of these, which we needed. And he said, I'll help you out. So I paid him and he shipped it to us. Cardboard, good stuff. Bubble wrap.
I like it.
You're giving it away, Aben.
I like it.
Shush. I know you do. So without further ado, we missed out on this guy, and I'm glad somebody was able to hook us up. So, yup. He had told me that this one shipped in, the box was a little, and I told him I'm okay with that. I'm gonna open him anyway. Well, there it is. Man, I should have put more light in here. I'm being lazy.
Shredder.
Who is that?
Shredder.
Super Shredder.
Sister.
Super?
Sippy.
Shredder.
Sure.
All right, that's a little better, right? But yep. What do?
Oh, looks good.
LaDon. LaDon's sitting behind the camera. David's over here playing COD. So, thanks, Robert, man. We appreciate it, Bobby. And that will complete all we need for the movie ones. Although, I would like to get some more foot soldiers, but I don't want to play arm and legs for the foot soldiers, but good stuff, man. Packaging really well. Bubbled up. Thanks, brother. All right, I'm gonna open this one. So this one, another fellow collector that those who are sub to us and on a lot of his other channels, groups, Facebook groups and stuff, probably know this feller, Mark DeRosa. I think I said that right, brother. If I didn't, I don't know if you even watch YouTube, but that's what this one is. And he had something for sale that I wanted. And my mom and actually David helped pitch in for this with me. And good bubble wrapped. And it's none only than the John Wick. Which, John Wick. All right. We were really wanting this Mezco here, and we open these. I'm not gonna take them out of package, but I'll just open the tin because they're in a tin. I didn't even know they're in a tin. How oblivious I am. It's in a tin, David. Not a box, a tin. Even better. I got the sleeve on there to protect that part. Hey. Man. Wow. So it's got the other slide in there. Another sheet to cover these. This is really nice, man. I'm not gonna pop it off right this second there or anything. And when I do open it, I'll show y'all when we have them in the case and stuff. And dude, this is really awesome. So thanks, Mark, for helping us out with that. It was a good deal and kind of couldn't pass on it. So he helped us out doing that. Cool, huh? Who's that, Aben? John Wick?
John Wick.
Okay, good job. John Wick. And I do like that they came in, this guy came in a 10. That's pretty cool. I didn't even know that. Learn something new every day, right? I hope everybody's doing good. I did get Casey and Ralph in the cage. David helped me out. Let's see if I can get this back on. And got my Batman Who Laughs in there. Which I need to get some of those robins. I don't know, how many robins are with him? Like 3? Something like that, David?
3 or 4, I'm not sure.
So get some of those to go with it. They look really cool. Here, truck outside. See if I can get this back in there. Sorry, guys. Anyways, what else? What else, Evan?
And then John Wick.
Yeah, that's John Wick. You're right. Yeah. That's getting a little difficult. But yeah, Brooke actually, Brooke has suggested that, you know, us start more videos and everything, and a while back, and I told him, well, I uploaded one. She goes, why didn't you wait for me? I was like, I'm sorry. So, yeah, she can actually probably show you something she got for Christmas too that she likes. But yeah, we do have some more packages coming, and we'll show y'all those as well. Say hello, LaDonna. At least say hi.
Hi.
Hi. You heard David yesterday. Tell everybody hi again.
Hi.
Say love y'all.
Yeah.
I love you. He's silly. He's silly. So, yep, I think that's about it for now. I might put in a little clip when I went to Walmart and I showed y'all a little bit of stuff, but it really, I went by Target and everything, and they didn't really have anything. Did go by Target today. They had the new Archive Han and Luke's there, and they had some more DC Multiverse, the Flashes and the Joker and the purple, but that was about it. They actually had placement for the Viper and the Firefly, and placement for the Krang, and a couple other Ninja Turtles and stuff, and WWE figures on an end cap. So I guess Target's resetting. They didn't have any of those. I asked them to scan to see if they happen to have any in the back, which they didn't. But I don't really. I mean, the Fireflies are cool looking. I kind of want the Viper, just one. You know what I mean? I got Snake Eyes in here, and then I got an extra Snake Eyes that David wanted. David bought one, and did you buy both of them?
I bought one. You bought
Yeah. He bought one. I bought one, and he wanted me to keep one in package. So, yeah. So I was like, okay. But we got one open, and did get got another one of these guys. Looks really nice. I like the blue on the white and the little.
Like.
I know you like it.
Is he?
No. Hey, just because you're on camera doesn't mean you get to misbehave and disobey. But anyways, when I get the other stuff, we'll show y'all. Hey. And you gonna show them? All right. Anyways, love you guys. Till next time, it's Larger Family Hunters out. Tell them bye, Aben.
Bye.
See you later.
See you later.
Okay, bye guys. Okay. Go for it. David, don't ever do that with a knife.
No, you never know. You might like damage something that's in there.
Or you might just cut your own private parts off there.
I hope not. Is that another one? That is exactly another one. Whoa. Whoa, now I got more. Oh, thank you.
Well,
very
show
much.
that.
I know what it is. I'm sorry.
Aben, scoot back,
Thank you very
Bubba.
much.
Welcome, baby.
Color.
It is David's Predator shirt.
Dude, I like that one
I
too.
like that one
Let's
too.
see. Want to see that first?
She's like, I didn't even get to see it.
Looks better in person.
Look at her.
I know.
So she picked these out too.
Oh, they're great choices.
Awesome.
Oshi.
You like them?
I do.
All right.
Thank you very much. I actually did want some of
I
those.
know. I like them.
Me too.
Oshi.
Nice, right?
They're very
Nice
nice.
Predator shirts, huh?
So for people that don't know, this is my mom. Her name is Tina. Because this
Hi,
is
I'm Grandma.
go to YouTube. David didn't know this, but I'm gonna do it on YouTube anyway.
What?
Anyways, but she got him some Predator shirts, late Christmas stuff. So
That's
But-
his favorite.
No, that is my favorite.
yeah, everybody knows.
Predator,
Yeah,
everybody
he
knows
definitely
it.
knows.
Yes.
Okay, but anyways, bye guys.
Peace out.